Staff at Rady Children's Hospital are one step closer to the hospital's first in-house therapy dogs to work with young patients. CBS 8 is partnering with the hospital for its third Working for Kids give-a-thon to help launch the program. News 8's Abby Black introduces us to the handlers who are anxiously waiting.
Meet Julia Perkins and Morgan Lee. Because of your donations, Rady Children's Hospital hired these child life specialists, now accepted into the Canine Companions program to handle a facility dog to treat pediatric patients. It's taken years to get here, but this is a critical tool to help kids heal.
Yeah.
You can't wipe the smile off Rady Children's Hospital child life specialists Julie Perkins and Morgan Lee, waiting to be matched with a facility dog this fall.
I feel like it makes it feel so real. Having these moments gives us like those little glimmers of like what we're gonna see with the kids in the hospital, and it's so like refreshing and exciting.
Child life specialists already work to normalize a scary hospital stay. A facility dog makes that easier.
Like we come at it from like a non-scary approach, having the dog bring in the blood pressure cuff or something, how that makes it even more fun and less scary, and like, okay, well, if the dog's gonna bring me my blood pressure cuff, I'll do it.
Getting here has been a long process. CBS 8 has partnered with Rady Children's Hospital for the last 2 years on a Working for Kids give-a-thon, raising money to start a resident canine program, dogs specifically trained for a hospital setting and built into a child's treatment plan. Last year, we helped raise enough money to bring in 2 dogs. Perkins is the primary handler, Lee the backup.
So the first dog will be placed with me. I work in hematology oncology. Our dog will be split between our inpatient and outpatient units. So getting to support kids in many different ways.
Rady Children's hired a third handler, still going through the process, who will join the rehab team.
We're working with like our physical therapists, occupational therapists, and the medical team to kind of get these kids either ambulating or helping them get more comfortable with the wheelchair or crutches.
There's a reason this took 2 years to get here. While the dogs come at no cost, this isn't a pet adoption.
Good boy. Nice.
It's hiring for a critical role inside a children's hospital, and much of that time was the hospital building out the program from the inside, hiring, credentialing, getting every piece in place.
We've had to go through a whole process with Canine Companions as well to make sure that we're going to be great fits as a handler, and we have all of our necessary training and things needed to really utilize the dog as a tool.
But money to sustain the program is still needed. Salaries, maintenance, and vet care for the dogs, plus hiring more child life specialists to bring in more facility dogs.
So when kids trust us and they trust the team, it promotes compliance, and compliance gets them out of the hospital faster.
Once matched in the fall, Perkins and Lee will go through 2 weeks of training, learning dozens of commands and adapting them to each patient's needs.
You tug. Good girl.
Acorn is being trained as a service dog, but many of those commands translate to a facility dog. Lee and Perkins won't start training until fall, but they get to practice now.
Good girl.
On National Dog Day, that's Wednesday, August 26th, CBS 8 and Rady Children's Hospital will partner for the third Working for Kids give-a-thon, and we hope you'll make us make an impact.
I can't wait for this to happen for our patients and families, and also for our hospital, because it's such a big step, and we are so grateful to have this opportunity and to have the support of the community and things behind us, because it wouldn't be possible.
Oh, thanks. Yes.
Working for Kids, Abby Black, CBS 8.
Very pregnant.
Thanks, Abby. And join us in the KFMB studios on National Dog Day. That's Wednesday, August 26th, for the third annual Working for Kids give-a-thon.
You can donate now. You don't have to wait until then. Just visit cbs8.com/kids.